energetic protocol to assist your body in repairing its DNA for self-love, which quiets the critic, increases health, repairs the DNA, and calls in beloved. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. We invite Soul Rider to snuggle up on front of spine. And we invite your body, divination, spirit, at the level of its higher self, to work with its energetic fields and the guides to reference an appropriate dimension where it can reference its etheric DNA. And just take a moment to hold space. You might even get a little spacey. You, Soul Rider, might witness your body in a higher realm, referencing its etheric DNA. And perhaps for many, many lifetimes, your body's etheric DNA may not have been calibrated for self-love because of ancestral lines, because of trauma, because of challenges, because of where your body is in its evolution. But play with the idea that every lifetime we should ideally get a fresh start with a clean slate and a full plate in a good way. So body, divination, spirit, at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields and the guides, reference that other dimension and call upon appropriate guides and advisors of this world and perhaps of other worlds if you're hybrid. Body, divination, spirit, at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields and the guides, reference your etheric DNA, calling in the appropriate beings, and using your higher self, your energetic fields, the appropriate tonal frequencies, energetic codes, repair your DNA to hold the sound, the frequency, the light quotient of self-love, love for your essence. Repairing all of the crystalline structures within and around the DNA to embody the vibration, the frequency of self-love. Just take a moment to hold space for your body to use its higher self, its energetic fields, to bring in the appropriate energetic codes that help repair the DNA to hold profound self-love for the light of its essence, for every single cell, the entire endocrine system, nervous system, every meridian and gland, part of the endocrine system. There we go. And just hold space as your body brings in the appropriate tonal frequencies, energetic codes, works with appropriate beings of love and light to help repair the etheric DNA for the frequency, with the frequency, embodying the frequency, the capacity for self-love, which is like a natural code in the DNA. But that code can sometimes get broken, especially with trauma, perceptions of disconnection, and patterning in the womb. And so you're just holding space, and you, Soul Rider, might just be in this very gentle mantra body to use your higher self, your energetic fields, to repair your etheric DNA for the frequency of self-love. Body, divination, spirit, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to repair your etheric DNA for the frequency of self-love, to activate self-love codes in your etheric DNA, to activate self-love frequencies, sounds, light in every crystalline structure within your entire etheric form. Self-love has a very particular frequency vibration. Here we go. Good. Just keep holding space. Good. Allow for that ripple, that reflection in the higher realm to you here And then updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, letting that integrate.